I, E. The 9th letter of the alphabet. Die 9de letter van die alfabet. Ek. I am going to eat the pie all by myself. Ek gaan die pastei alleen opeet. Ice, ace. Christo is skating on the ice. Christo skaats op die ys. There is ice in the refrigerator. Daar is ys in die yskas. Ice cream, roomys. If, as, of. If it rains, Ruth will put up her umbrella. As dit reën, sal Ruth haar sambreel oopmaak. See if the door is locked. Kyk of die deur gesluit is. Ill, sick. Marina is ill. Marina is sick. Important, belangrik. It is important to get to school on time. Dit is belangrik om betyds by die skool te kom. In. The baby is sitting in his pram. Die baba sit in sy waantjie. Inch, dame. An inch is 2,5 centimeters. A dame is 2,5 centimeter. Indian, Indiër, rooiheid, Indiaan. Indians live in India and red Indians live in the United States. Indiërs woon in Indië en rooiheide in die Verenigde State. There are many Indians in South America. Daar is baie Indiane in Suid-Amerika. Ink, ink. We write with pen and ink. Ons skryf met pen en ink. Inside, binne. Come inside, says Len. Kom binne, sê Len. Instead of, in plaas van. May I have milk instead of water? Mag ek melk in plaas van water kry? Into, in. The rabbit is going into its hole. Die konyn gaan by sy gat in. Ein, strykyster. This is an ein. Dit is 'n strykyster. Island, eiland. The island is surrounded by water. Die eiland is omring deur water. It, dit. I have a wagon. It is red. I get a wa. Dit is rooi. It is quite cold today. Dit is vandag nogal koud.